Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great and staying safe and healthy. If you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe to get an updates on DevOps and cloud related stuff. If you are one of the person who has been widely using Oracle as one of their main databases, or who have been working into the role of Oracle database administrator or a Oracle database support engineer, then you have clicked the right link on the YouTube channel. Before moving to the main content, if you are thinking of considering a cloud computing or stepping into the career of cloud computing but are a fan of Oracle and wanted to study the Oracle as one of the cloud providers, then this is the right time to think on it. I would like to thank Oracle for coming up with such a free content and free certification for the community and encouraging them to understand the Oracle infrastructure. Moving back to the main content of the video is where I'm going to help you or walk you through the registering yourself for the Oracle Cloud certificate and getting the free content for the Oracle Infrastructure Associate certificate. So let's start with enrolling ourselves or registering ourselves for this free content of Oracle learnings. Content and OCI certificate, which is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation Associate certificate. All you need to do is open a web browser and search for OCI certification. So once you have searched that, the first URL called as Oracle ramps up free online learning and certifications. Click on that URL and then this web page will get open. This web page basically gives you the two certification. One is the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure if you are focusing on the infrastructure stuff, which is system admin and couple of other roles, infrastructure monitoring, database monitoring, etc. If you are mostly into an database, working as a PL SQL developer or working into a performance tuning stuff, go for this certificate. Let's scroll down and see the learning paths. So if you see, the first learning path here is an Oracle Autonomous Database Specialist. As I mentioned, we have infrastructure certificates as well. So to start with, let's focus on the Foundation Associate certificate, which is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation Associate. The second one is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Cloud Operations Associate. As I mentioned, if you are into a development stuff, please go ahead with the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Developer Associate. If you are into something into system designing and other stuff, then Associate and the Professional certificate is the right one for you. All you need to do is enroll yourself for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Associate. Before Professional, I would recommend you to go ahead for the Associate certification. Once you have cleared it, then you can move on into a Professional certificate, which will go into a more depth of your learning, what you have done in for the Associate certificate. So let's get registered first of all for the Oracle account. If you are new to this and if you do not have any free Oracle account, I would request you to register yourself for the Oracle sign-on account, which is free. So let's click on that link and go to the another web page where it shows you three tabs. One is training, certification, and leave solutions and buy. Let's click for the training. As you know, the Oracle is offering us the free content of the learning respective to the certification. So let's click on the training. Once you are there, you will see the infrastructure session where it says Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So let's click on that. Once you're here, scroll down where you will see the OCI, which I have been talking about, which is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation certificate. So let's click on start learning. Once you're here, you will see this Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation has the course for 7 hours 14 minutes. And if you click on it, it basically gives you the introduction, the overview, how to create an Oracle Cloud free tier account, what is identity access management, what are the networkings, compute, storage options, database, security related, and couple of introduction to the app development, which can be your resource manager functions, and couple of other things. At the end of the day, it also focuses on the monitoring perspective, because monitoring and the logging plays a very important role in any of the infrastructure system or any infrastructure. It also focuses on little bit of analytics and artificial intelligence. So let's go ahead and basically enroll for this said course where you get all this stuff. And none the last, it also focuses on the SLA and the support, which is very important if you are into the role of support. So all you need to do is register yourself and start learning this course. Once you have done that, it also has the certification part. So you have studied all this and now you want to appear for a certificate. All you need to do is go back to the same URL, which was the training URL. And if you scroll down, you will see the online certification exam, which is of 1 hour 30 minutes. All you need to do is click on get started. If you do not have an existing Oracle account, I would request you to click on the create free account, and then basically enroll yourself, fill up all the necessary details like email ID, password, job title, and other stuff. Once the account is created, you can basically schedule yourself for the certification. I hope this session was and helpful, and it helped you to walk through the how to register yourself for the Oracle certificate. Wish you all the best for your exam and for your preparation. Thank you, and kindly do not forget to subscribe if you want to get an updates on DevOps, cloud, and any related certification to the DevOps and cloud. Until then, take care and bye bye.